Would you like to earn $200 or even $600 online just in a single day without doing much for it? If you would like that, then you did the right thing when you decided to watch this video, as in today's video, I'm going to show you this new strategy on how to make hundreds of dollars online without spending much of your time on it. And the best part is that this method is available for anyone from anywhere around the world. I'm going to show you a few websites where you need to create free accounts in order to start making money. Don't worry, you don't need to have any previous experiences or special skills, as those aren't required at all. I highly recommend watching this video until the end and pay close attention to every detail if you want to start making money. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. In order to start receiving your earnings, you first need to create yourself a PayPal account if you don't have one yet. Just go to paypal.com. You can sign up by clicking on this button here. Creating an account will take a few seconds and it's absolutely free. You can just choose the personal account over here and continue filling in the rest of your information by clicking this button here. But if you don't want to use PayPal, then the other option is receiving money to your bank account. If you don't have that at the moment, then you can easily create one by going to Google and then search for online bank account in my country. Then you can choose one of them from the search results in here. Once you have successfully created your account, then you can continue watching this video. You can now go to this website, that is, Fiverr.com. It should be very familiar to you, as I have showed it in my previous videos. But if you have never heard about it, then let me explain real quick what this site is about. Fiverr is a marketplace where its users whether offer service or want to buy service. So, you'll also be offering a service. But what kind of service, I will talk about in a bit. Also, there are millions of people coming to this website every single day, and this means that the competition is very high. Because of that, later on, I will show you another website which you are going to use instead of Fiverr in order to start making money. But the reason why we are on Fiverr at the moment is because I want to use it as an example to show what service you will be offering on another website and how much you can charge for that. You are going to start creating video ads. But don't worry, you are not required to have a camera or do those video ads on your own, as I will also be showing you another website where you can create videos within minutes with an automated and easy-to-use tool. As we are on Fiverr at the moment, you can go to the search bar in here and type in video ads and hit on search. You will be then redirected to the next page where you can see all these members offering to create video ads while charging from $30 to hundreds of dollars. You can now get an idea how much to charge for creating a video ad. You could charge at least $100. And if you get at least 6 people to purchase your service in a day, then you will make $600. That's a pretty good amount of money. Just imagine how much you could earn in a month. That would be thousands of dollars. But as I mentioned before, the competition on Fiverr is so high, and that's why it is the best to offer a service on another website. And now is the time to show you this website where you're going to offer a service as creating video ads. You can go to Legit.com. This is also a very popular marketplace that has about the same amount of visitors as on a Fiverr coming to their site every single day. But the catch is that the competition is so much lower, and this is exactly what you need. And on this website, you are able to earn much more money than on Fiverr as a beginner. As when you go to Fiverr and search for video ads, then you can see that there are over 11,000 people offering the same service. This means that the competition is so high. But when you go over to Legit.com and search for video ads, then you can see that there are only around 30 people offering this kind of service. And that means the competition is low, and not many people are offering this service. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. You should definitely use this opportunity and start offering video creation service on Legit.com, as at the moment, not many people are offering this service. But before you can start offering this service, you first need to create yourself a free account by clicking on Register in here. You'll be then taken to this next page. You just need to fill in your information, such as your full name, email address, username, and password. As you will be offering the service, you should select this option here, Selling My Service. And then confirm you're not a robot by clicking on this box here. Also, make sure to read their terms of service and privacy policy and click here to agree to them. When you have finished filling in everything, you can just click here to finish creating your account. As you have now successfully created your account at Legit.com, then it is time to show you the next website, that is Flixpress.com. And on this site, you will find the tool that will do all the work for you, as it will create video ads just in a few minutes. And as you could read yourself over here, you can make high-quality video for your business, YouTube, special occasion, or fun. And you can get started for absolutely free. But if you want to do this in long term, then you'll be required to pay a few dollars in a month, and I will be talking about the pricing in a bit. As you can see over here, they have over 10 million active users on their site who have created over 25 million videos. This only proves how legit this website is. And when going over here, they say that creating videos with their tool is really easy. Also, no experience or software is required. It is very affordable, as you are able to create the video for less than $1 per month. That is very cheap. As I mentioned before, you can create one video within 2 minutes or even less. Just imagine how much time and your own money you will be saving just by using this tool. They also offer studio quality. This means that you can create the video the pros would be proud of. Over here, they say that they have a rich content as they offer YouTube intros, slideshows, promos, and ads that you will also need. You can look around on this page and check out other things they offer, such as features. But I will not be spending any time on showing you that. I'm sure you can do that on your own. Now, when you scroll down a bit more, you can see example videos over here that have been created by using their tool. You can take a look at those videos on your own. I highly recommend checking out the pro intros and also the video ads in here. Then you can get an idea what exactly you need to create when someone has purchased your service. Now, the next step is creating an account. You can do that by clicking on Register. On the next page, they say that you can sign up with your Google account, or if you want, you can also do that by filling in your information in here. You just need to create the username. Then add your first and last name, your email address in here, and then create a password. Also, make sure to agree to the terms by checking this box here. And click here to confirm you're not a robot. And finally, click on Register to finish signing up. Once you have created your account, then the last thing I want to show you is pricing. Because of the fact that this is not a free website, if you want to use it for a long term, then you're required to pay monthly fees so that you could continue creating videos and offer your service. You can now go over to pricing. And on the next page, you can see all the subscription plans that are very affordable. You can see that creating your first video is absolutely free. But if you want to continue creating videos for 30 days, then you are required to pay 83 cents per month. That's almost nothing compared to what you will be making when other people buy your offer at Legit.com. You can take a look at the other plans in here, but I do believe you won't be needing to use them, especially not the highest one in here. Just imagine earning $200 to $600 just for one job. Then investing less than $1 per month into creating video ads is almost nothing. That's why I say it's totally worth using the platform here to start earning a good amount of money day by day. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.